Hi, I'm Larry with the Western Europe Service Team, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you our storage migration service. Huawei is the fastest growing high-end storage systems in the industry with best-in-class all-flash technology. For the transition from the hybrid to all-flash high-end storage, Huawei provides proven storage migration services to mitigate any risk inherent with the migration of data. So let me give you a quick overview of our migration service solution. The keys to any successful migration include the solution itself, so having a customized solution, also the tooling, and Huawei provides self-developed tools. Also, platforms play a vital role in migration, and Huawei also has self-developed platforms. A fourth key element or key driver is the team, the expertise. And I will show you how we have a global team for your service migration. And as well the processes. Processes following are vital to having a successful data migration. Okay, let me show you here the migration challenges that you as a customer face with a data migration solution. The integrity of the data, making sure the data is copied correctly. The continuity of your service, your business, so not having any interruptions, non-interruptible migrations. Time. The longer the time for the migration, the greater the risk. And also cost. Costs are always an important factor for any customer, be it manpower or be it tools. Now, Huawei's migration service can provide you the following benefits. And let me tell you about the two principles required. Huawei follows the principles of data integrity and service continuity. And with these key principles, we're able to provide you three clear advantages with Huawei storage migration service. The first being zero service interruption, so having your business continuity in place. The second is broad compatibility. Why broad compatibility? Networks are more complex in nature these days. You have more elements in your network. And also intelligent migration. The intelligence comes from the tools and the platforms used for the migration. Now, a non-disruptive migration solution, Huawei has identified 5 key steps or processes to provide such a migration. And at the end, you're able to have the online switchover to the Huawei storage without an interruption to your service. Zero service interruption. Again, storage systems today or networks today by nature are more complex, and in the ICT transformation, you must be able to have broad compatibility to all of the different elements in your network. And this is what Huawei's storage system or storage migration solution can provide. Along with the compatibility to the different network elements, intelligent migration, I touched on earlier, is required throughout the 4 phases of a migration. Throughout evaluation, planning, implementation, and acceptance, Huawei has self-developed tools such as Infograb, ISDP, and ITMO platforms, Migration Director, and as well provides you reports and documentation on the migration status. Huawei doesn't see migration as just a simple movement of data. It also sees migration as an ecosystem of engineering. And this ecosystem requires a detailed methodology. And Huawei has defined this methodology in the 4 phases with 17 different steps. And this helps ensure a successful migration. Now let's have a look at a customer reference project. This one being in the manufacturing industry. It's a rather large migration of the EMC and incumbent storage. And here you can see that, well, it included more than 200 physical machines, more than 800 virtual machines, and more than 800 terabytes of data, all which resided in 5 different cities and 6 different data centers. And this storage had to be migrated to Huawei devices. Also, what was part of the migration was the actual upgrade of the fiber channel switching to new models. Huawei was able to achieve this migration in almost half the time as the competition had estimated. Thus again, mitigating the risk involved with taking too long of a time to perform the migration. And we had 0 service interruption, which is extremely important for the manufacturing industry. In looking at the global map, Huawei has more than 1,500 migration success stories globally, and more than a zettabyte of storage data migrated. Huawei makes use of its interoperability lab to customize solutions, as no 2 projects are the same. And throughout globally, this validation lab helps Huawei to pre-migration, let's say before the migration, to develop the solution and test the solution. And that's what's led to such great success. So in summary, you've seen that Huawei has the vast resources, has the capability, and offers the customized solutions, be it with storage migration, be it with the logical volume migrator, be it with the migration director. So Huawei has the capability and the resources. And I would like to leave you with these parting words, and also to say thank you for your attention. And we look forward to being your service migration provider. Thank you.